Let me show you what you can do in order to solve issues with your hotspot on OPPO Find X9. If you use hotspot but it doesn't work on any other device, then in that case, let's go to settings. Of course, what you need to keep in mind is you need to make sure that you have proper connection to Wi-Fi or mobile data yourself, because of course, this is how we share the access to the internet, by using one of these two options. Now, besides that, if we go to mobile network, then you should be able to find personal hotspot, of course. And one thing that we can do is open hotspot settings. Over here we have advanced settings, and the first thing that we can do is disable Wi-Fi 6 in case you cannot find your hotspot on any other device, or just in general on other device. Because let's say the device doesn't have the support of Wi-Fi 6, then in that case it might be problematic for that device to actually detect the network. And similarly, we can go to AP band, and over here of course we can switch between 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. However, if you use 5 gigahertz and you cannot find your hotspot on another device, then you might need to switch to 2.4 gigahertz, as it provides more compatibility, especially with some older devices that may not support 5 gigahertz AP band. And of course, when we enable our personal hotspot, we can generate this QR code. If you tap on it, then of course we can reveal it. And instead of trying to find your Wi-Fi network or hotspot network actually on another device, you can just try to scan this QR code, or you can try to send it with QuickShare in order to connect to the network without having to, enter the password and so on and so forth. So you can use that to see if you can actually connect without looking for the network on the list of Wi-Fi networks. And that is pretty much everything that we can do in order to try to solve your issues with hotspot. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.